I'm making this video to show you how to replace the seals. These seals on these bolts from the Honda. And this is in Honda 1997. And this is how it looks like. Okay. How you gonna get this seal out of this bolt and replace with a new one? This is how I do it. Let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get this seal out and replace with this is an old one, and we're gonna replace with a new one here. So how do you get this out? You will need a cutter. This is how I do it. I cut it and I twist this thing out, and it came out. You see right there? And we're just gonna slide this out, and I'm gonna put this new one, which is the new one, in order for the seal to go back here. I'm gonna show you how I do it. Let me bring the camera. Okay? You see that? Bring the camera over here, and you see that little hole over here, that hole right there. You will need to do like this. And this is, you will need the 10mm socket. All right, let me show you how to do it. All right, let me grab my 10mm socket. All right, and you just keep turning. All right, until you feel that it goes all the way to the end. Now I can feel it, and all you need to do is just push this up. You see right there? See there? And let me reverse it. It's better in my hand. It's a little tight too. Well, you know the idea. And make sure you don't ruin the hole, okay? So here we go. Okay, you see? Right there? That's how you do it. Alright. So you know, people have different way how to do this, but this is how I do it. It's pretty easy. Okay, thank you for watching.